Hello friends, this is Easy Drawings by Sirisha. Here I am showing to you cartoon animal faces. For this animal face, I am using a bowl for circle shape. You can use a glass or a bangle. Okay, face is over. Next, coming to mouth and nose. Take a curved line and make two circles. Mouth and nose is over. Next, coming to eyes. Draw two circles in the circle. Draw small circles. See, drawing eyes are very important. Draw carefully. Okay. In the circle, draw two small circles in opposite way and fill with color. See, eyes also completed. Here I am drawing in very easy way. You can draw easily. Okay, for beginners. Next, coming to horns. Only cartoons animal faces in very easy way. Horns also completed. See, guess what is this animal face? Horns completed. Next, coming to ears. Guess what is this animal? If you like this video, my drawings, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.